Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to edit the text in Canva. I'm just going to show in this video, and if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to edit the text in Canva, I'm just going to show in this video. So first of all, just open a template here. So this is a template. You can just see I just taken our image here. You can just place the image here. So how to edit the text in Canva? So you just need to first of all insert the text here, or you can use any text like this. You can just use this text also. It's actually a premium one. You can just select the free text like this. Just click this, which actually enters here. So edit, we can just add as edit text, T-E-X-T. That's the point. So here just going to show, we can just click this, you can see option to delete here. So how to edit the text? That's the question. So you double tap here, you can just easily edit the text, and if you can see this two text has been grouped. So if you want to ungroup this, you will see this option on the while clicking. Just click this, you will see this option ungroup and delete. You just click on this ungroup. Now you can just move the two text in different position. And if you want, just select the text, double click here, you will see the first option on the top called font. You can just change the font. You can also search the top font if you are normally using. So you can just change the font by using this option. Okay, you can see, and double tap here to you can just resize the font size, or you can just freely resize this. You can see the font size has been changing here. And here you just want to, you can just change the color, and also you can just change the color from the photo color which you actually uploaded here. Will be having this, the recently uploaded photos will have this color. You can just change the color from that also. It's super, and most important thing that the colors should be so brighter, so your template will be look so great. It should be like yellow, which is if you choose that, you can see the background also that it will not suit for this. And if you want to bold the text, you can see an option on the bold, italic, and also the underline option. Okay, let's make this. This is the option to lowercase and also the uppercase. If your text on the lowercase, you just want to change it to the uppercase or lowercase, you can just use this option. It's so simple. So this option to align the text for the center and justify as from inside the text box, not overall the image. And then this option, effect options, click this. You can change the shadow, lift, and there is a lot of options, halo, like that. So you can just change the full text effect using this particular option. Now you can see it's having a different look, right? You can just change the background color to see a different type of text effect using this. So you can see now how it's look like. And also you can just animate the text on the top, and also the position of the text can be moved from here. And you just need to thinking about the spacing. So here the spacing option. So this is actually a letter spacing. You can just move the letter from letter. You can just determine the letter spacing and also the line spacing. If you're having the 4 to 3 words one below one, you can just make it as a letter spacing. So this is so important to use, and this is how you just edit the text on Canva. I think this is a brief explanation about the Canva for the beginners. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.